We will pass in a list or an array into a function. We have a function called numberCrunch with an argument called assets. Inside this function, we have a for loop to print the elements in an array. For x in assets, print x as checked. Outside of the loop, we have L as length of the assets. We print out the length of the assets. Outside of the function, we have our list, common assets, Z item, investments, cash, inventory, supplies. Then we have our call, numberCrunch, and then we pass in our list. Let's run our function. Z item is checked, investments checked. It continues on. Then at the bottom we have our length of assets is number 5, or length 5. We will pass in a dictionary as a function argument. Here we have our dictionary with the key and the values. We have a function called the count with an argument as a dictionary. A dictionary list is our variable name. We convert our dictionary.values with this function into a list. Then we use a for loop for a number in dictionary list to print the number. Then we sum the assets. S is equal to sum of the dictionary list. Then we print the assets. At the bottom of this code cell, we call our function and pass in the dictionary all assets. We get each value from our dictionary, and then we get the sum of the dictionary values.